efa eye arrest no ho ensem wa manfo a wono kasa bie ne kasa ahodo ekoso a ebi wo ho a na ya arrest wo mo post ahodo ekoso na ya arrest wo mo no minim say wo follow me last week ni a de be 2-3 weeks ago e de ba no de those ensem you know my position on it and what I expect say empenifo eye and I've always said say you betumi amamra ni obi edi without that Rambo style arrest nti mo amu follow me ne de you know and amunim me position on this arrest Rambo style arrest ni unnecessary detention ni de keka kan woni nyina me my position is that if the person is available se di pa na wo ho na obetumi appear before court am ye dinasem kosi se ye betumi dinasem wawie nempo se bonus wo kodam a wakodam a ye better than say edurumre bia ya na akoyete se ye mfa ne nhyem kakra ye nyese kakra ne ade no ya na me myself I had my position on that say it's something that I don't condone na enra me tie the minority leader Afenyo-Markin a wodi dom kuma anim wo mrahye bedwafie no in fact me yam hye me kakra ema yakanie ene oman sede ye gina brete a mpanimfo mu di anim no sede wo madwene ene wo mu nsusu ye mu sitie but I want you to listen to him na iwia ne me woka no meka ede afa ho yentie no kakra yentie Afenyo-Markin
communications officer popularly known as Baba Amando arraigned before an Accra Second Court, remanded, charged with offensive conduct, false publication and circulation of statements likely to incite fear. The same judge, Court Second Court 9, the Agenda Court, the NDC Court, and let me repeat it, that NDC judge, he must be ashamed of himself. Yes. And now Abronye, remanded into BNI custody for criticizing a judge. There are no isolated incidents. They are selected examples from a deeply troubling and growing list. That judge has no respect for his own judicial oath. I don't think he read the law. That Second Court 9 judge, I have no respect for him. For a judge to say that he's remanding Abronye into BNI custody until the case is finally determined. How? Such a judge can never have my respect. How? How? I pray that he summons me for contempt. Yes. I will continue to disrespect him until he upholds the law. He's gone beyond his judicial function. And it is not his first. It's as if he has been selected purposely to achieve this. For a judge to say that he's remanding Abronye into BNI custody until the case is finally determined. How? Such a judge can never have my respect. How? How? I pray that he summons me for contempt. Yes. I will continue to disrespect him until he upholds the law.
When I am minority leader Afenyo-Markin na utie ensemo a woka no a relating to Abronye mo arrest ni other ones ya oka ho asem say judge no ofre no NDC judge owie no so won de o mfa buo bia ma no omu ni da na kosisi wo bedi mra so no omu ni da onchire ni buo bia na where I became worried in say Afenyo-Markin eyemranimfo oyelo aside from that osanso kra no eye edom kuma e wo mrahye bedwafie e ba no dani a very experienced legislator ono wo mrahye bedwafie a MP ɔyɛ experience pa woni mmra ani ade na mebese yetie Abronye ensem ni bi before I will conclude on Afenyo-Markin asem no ɛdeɛn ɛna Abronye ɛkeka yɛ nei ɛde na call remand anase ama judge ni so on call remand about the judge ɔmo kana asem yɛntie no
obi abompa yɛsɛ awurade ma pray enti Akofo adonto fam awurade nkum Akofo adone na busuafo nyinaa CID fo ankwankɔkye no ɛwɔ kurom ha CID fo ankwankɔkye no na MPP, the next MPP government, yen entertaining political police. And it's a fact. Yen entertaining political judges. Say, won't court. And the piano, yes, will be a diobiatem, won't court ni you are denta. Say, won't this answer no. We will not entertain political judges because you're homo. You're homo. We are entertaining political police for no ewo kroma. We are political judge. And untina da biano ye nya case ya. Ya de kwa denta ho. Judge na wa denta circuit court one. Or ye political judge. Munka kureti cases ya. Nansei a denta ho. Police for ye ya. No mo de kwa denta circuit court. Negotiating by na Ghana police service. Any a denta circuit court no. Oh, you know, media count me out. Go, you can do foco. Koswana Tinasi, Nasa political judge na Woody or Honor. Koswana di, Natra Brofua Emfa Komu, or Brofua Enye, Uri, grammatical errors on quanality, a dental secret court, Uri is in now, grammatical errors on Quan. Ubrafunya, the name in our grammar yet, and I did the judge a dentaho. Wo brafo ya towo brafo judge ya wonte brafo wo tra basa wo ye political judge wo brafo wo ye ana de ti adenta secret court wo ye nimu enye judge na odie wo ye politician ana wakwa
enti Abronye nsem a okeka ye ni bi ede fa judge no hono no na se wotie no etie no ne nsem a woka no a it goes straight to the judge. Na judge no se wo he arrest awakomu ya na no court wo no briefing ni kire se eyesa ensem we around the judge no and the ma ede ne kopie mu court wa eni okọ remand but se wotie sa Abronye ensemi na wotie Afenyo-Markin reaction to these issues I expected something different. In fact, your ways are be criticizing someone as obeka sem ediachi obibia one ne nyadwene. Ekrumu ha yehu bebre. When the NDC was in opposition, womo soritia eye omo kasetia judges ewu krumu ha. Omo ne judges ni decisions bi anya ankoyi anko adwene anaso omo no anya adwene ewu decisions bi a judges no eteki ye, including election positions ne de yekeka kan wo nyina. They did that omo kan okrumu ha. Maybe crafting say, Womo to DB unanimous FC. Say judges ni bi wo nyina ka omutibom wo mabu asem. Ni nyina wo kan bi wo krumwa. Some of us we condemned say emra no yen holding on your democracy. Yes, sorry say ye tietia a judge for fan wudi hu say ya. Ana say yes sorry say ebia ya attack wo personally a. Ade a waye no so fi say enya. The entire ma Afenyo de ne ye shocking ma me say he's a lawyer. And he knows the law. Or sounds so bedefie. By using words, I know a didn't say against a judge. I was sound so crack say, oh dear, unrespect it, sir, judge, no, edda. Could obey uphold the law, no? My question is that, as a lawyer, what does the law say? Sabia, what can be na anase judge bia matem wo bi na woni ne nya adwene a emrahye bedwani a wo experience sei na unim de ye is it not coming Am I on air? Is it okay?
Yes, will be a atem. Won't qua court in the year you are denta say won't this answer no. We will not entertain some political judges no because you're woman. You're woman. We are entertaining political police for no ewo kroma. We are political judge. And untina dabiano yenya case ya. Ya de kwa denta ho. Judge no wa denta circuit court one. Or your political judge. Monka critical cases here. Nansei adenta ho police for ya no mo de kwa adenta circuit court negotiating ben na Ghana police service any adenta circuit court no or you dey no media count me out what you can do foco koswa na tenase na sa political judge na wudi wo ho no koswa na di na twetwe brofo a emfa kwamu wo brofo a enye wururi grammatical errors nkwa na de ti adenta circuit court wo wururi nsinyina wo twere grammatical errors nkwa wo brofo nye de nimni nyina wo grammar nye ana di judge wa adenta ho wo brofo ya towu wo brofo judge a wonte brofo wo twere basa.
And Mr. Abubakar Yakubu, MPP Sunyani is Communications Officer, popularly known as Baba Amando, arraigned before an Accra Circuit Court, remanded, charged with offensive conduct, false publication and circulation of statements likely to incite fear and panic. The same judge, Circuit Court 9, the Agenda Court, the NDC Court, and let me repeat it, that NDC judge, he must be ashamed of himself. Yes. And now Abronye, remanded into BNI custody for criticizing a judge. There are no isolated incidents. They are selected examples from a deeply troubling and growing list. That judge has no respect for his own judicial oath. I don't think he read the law. That Circuit Court 9 judge, I have no respect for him. For a judge to say that he's remanding Abronye into BNI custody until the case is finally determined. How? Such a judge can never have my respect. How? How? I pray that he summons me for contempt. Yes. I will continue to disrespect him.
Be am I disappointed, Nesse, as a lawmaker? Oya MP, experienced MP in Parliament, Afenyo-Markin. It is childish and quite inappropriate to use those words on a judge, knowing that you are a lawyer. Obi a we a lawyer ni sabe, and it doesn't reflect the experience you have and the knowledge you have as a lawyer and even a lawmaker in Parliament. Said you usika say no Afenyo and say we experience. If you think a judge, I am from so, which I disagree with. Said yedu obi be shemu ansa na yedi na asemowie. I've stated my position earlier. Ansa na etiakono. I stated say me ni omo nya adwene wo say yede obi be twere kukumwa konsi be di na asemowie. Se nipa ni nyane nko ba bia okromu ha yenim no ne where about ne ade a even se osusu so obedwane kura obetimi asizi ne passport no ma ne ade a na nipa no atimi afesi mra na akosi se bia bebo no na se esi wodam a wodam dance yede ne betwere mu ne ade a maka ho asem ha. But the words are Afenyo-Markin we use ye ne e boje so, and you have people there womani agia, the kind of insults, any impunity awoda na di inappropriate words that we use as a lawyer and somebody who knows the law. Yeah, bojo so na yewode. And you think you are doing something right. There we are na your foot soldiers adwuma. foot soldiers foot soldiers omo e wase ho no beji 50 cedi koto aduane beji 20 koto aduane fo no omo de saa ma no mani abigigigigige wo kasa se be onwene hu nkwa chiri do be keka bibia bi omo na ya taba comments ase be di atem no foot soldiers omo adwuma di saa atem di die ne de wo just a minority leader of that caliber and who experience as a lawyer okosa if you think say judge no air and I said your way any you're wronger the law gives you an opportunity say obetumi appeal and I'll be pass it through the proper legal processes to address this than just that public insults ni attacks ni sa disrespect on say we ye obi hwe okra ohun say we minority leader na say we as a normal full soldier kasa na kasa no go where the days go honorable Oseche Mensa Bunsu time papa as a minority leader so ojina na or criticize and say or argue you see that sense of maturity honorable Oseche Mensa na ma onokra ne point na ye attractive or count or chew any more Kenyans as some power who bedin one question who say papa sabe ebikura we do atemo ba who we do atemo nyansa sem kanim di sem kana Oseche Mensa Bunsu di afra na sem na ka estate no court laws they backing asem that days are not those days are not ogusua those days are now Oseche Mensa Bunsu a minority leader no Akra was a majority leader no. Look at how he handled parliament. Look at how he led. And then Afenyo leadership no one standard. One standard. We know what you are up to. So we say adena akono anko ye anye in your favor. What does the law says? Edi akwanya ne wom se musumutimi ye. One thing I know, they say, what was wrong yesterday can never be right today. Time when I in DC for every judges new unanimous FC. What some of us even condemned, no. Now also Afenyo-Markin who condemn. When they were insulting the judges, Afenyo, you criticized, you condemned. Into what has changed today? If insulting judges yesterday was wrong, today is still wrong. You can disagree. Omu judgment, you bet me I disagree. But going ahead, insulting and attacking like this, as a minority leader, and you be a keke, my party ni bimpu. Keke, enkasa, senti mka say, a full soldier say juma. What you did yesterday was wrong. It's wrong. You can express your displeasure, and you will be any. But you yourself, go back and listen to Abronye. Tape itself. Edikawo bewu refine wasem no shape no kama. A criticizing ye is it obi etie wa unza say so aggressive atem didie na dia but rather you had a point. And so the way they communicating no wrong. Then my words to you ne say me de be am kan wasem as a leader of parliament wona esoma edimunyam eba enkasayemu even in the time of criticism criticizing no man medimunyam mrem but what you did was low, it was below belt as a lawyer so we nimram podia you say and wa wo kasa no say I want the judge to cite me for contempt na say wa wunim say mbradi mu no ade na wo ye no a o criticize no ye in such a way say ebema wo ho aba asem no obi abeka ho asem ana say wo match contempt enti wo ye leader no wo ye say no dia na full soldiers no so we akire ni nsua it's too bad maka me say dia nya nra no enti mi nya papa ne and I still say that say yen sesa na ye de say ya wo man no nya de say betumpon maka wa ha I disagree but the way you are talking about it no and how you went personal on the judge, it's wrong. As a leader of parliament, one lower the standard of leadership in the MPP minority leadership. Ko nekope honorable say chairman sabunsu videos ni bi time of parliament dem say what one hwe say the rules lead no corner ko penehwe ko archives ni mu ko pe nehwe how he led and even party issues ba say chairman sabunsu be gina simpie no kasa go and listen. He disagree, he criticized, but with much sense of maturity. I will feel this papa ya o ka say asem we de atoma kuma so esemiti enya kikira asem no ekwahin yankasa ekwahin shameful for you to talk that way. You can just appeal or you push the legal process up. And yet I yet quite too many ekoso sa na say o man no say be yen hyedan ya yibia I mean fancy